there are a number of things that I think make our MBA program truly unique. Those are things that we're really proud of. First of which is our unique curriculum, right? So we have a curriculum that really brings our school's mission to be a force for positive change to life, challenging you to get ready to deal with the big transitions that we face in the world of business today. Second unique feature of our program is that we have a relatively small, personal, highly diverse and inclusive community that we nurture very carefully, right? So the amount of peer-to-peer learning that occurs throughout the program is unprecedented. And for me, this is where the true magic lies in the MBA experience. A third element that I would add to that is that personal leadership development that we have running throughout, right? So throughout the program, you're being challenged separate from the academic coursework to see your own strengths and weaknesses as a leader and experiment with new behaviors so that you come out a more confident manager and leader afterwards. A fourth element that I would add is our approach to learning. It's not just academics, it is also really learning by doing, right? So we have a great experiential learning experience where we have a number of projects that allow you to test, experiment, maybe fail, right, in a real life context, because that ultimately makes a difference between putting theoretical frameworks in front of you and actually making something work in practice. And last but not least, it's our location, right? We're here at an amazing university, Erasmus University, which has a lot to offer to our students, not just academic excellence, but also the connection to the broader world. We're in Rotterdam, which is one of the bigger ports in the world. We're in the Netherlands, which is an incredibly open, internationally connected country. So it's a perfect place to launch your career strategically, whether that's in Europe or beyond, but it's also a perfect place to learn. So we pack a lot on this program, and it's only a 12-month journey, right? So all this stuff happens in a relatively short span of time. It is challenging, it is intense, but you come out a different person afterwards.